Hello, I'm Dr. Deepak Chandran. Today we are discussing regarding how to create the restricted quiz question paper using Google Form. We will go by step procedure. For this case, you need to log in your Google account. Then open Google Sheet or Google Docs or Sheet. I will click Sheet. Then in this Google Sheet, you go in main menu and open the forms. Then you need to open the blank form for the quiz competition. In this quiz competition, I will write the name of the examination as a class test second for a SC chemical semester second academic year 2020, and you copy this untitled form and then you create the basic information of the student. Write your full name. Then from this drop down, you select the short answer. Then you you click on this required option as a mandatory question. Then copy the same question for creating the next question. Here you write the next information as a roll number. Roll number, and again copy this question for creating the next question. So actual question paper will start from this question on. Then you need to click this setting tab. In this setting tab, you need to go in quizzes. In this quizzes, you click on this, mark this as a quiz, and there is a two options. You can select either any options, but better way you select the second option. Reason behind it, students are not able to see his score immediately after submitting the quiz. Then last three option is the missed question, correct answer, and point value. You check first and last option except middle one, that is correct answer. If you click on this correct answer, students are able to see the correct answer. So what happens by clicking this option? Suppose student will appear for the examination using false basic information, either roll number or the name of the student. After submitting this quiz, student will get the correct answer and student will note down this answer. And student again reappear for the same examination by putting the correct answer with correct information. So the possibility of mass copy. So you don't check this correct answer and then click on save option. So this question, actual question starts here. So I will write here question number 1. I will write the question number 1 as what is your name of the college. For example, you can write question according to your question bank. I will make the first question as what is your name of college, and then you can select from this drop down as a multiple choice question as MCQ exam. So you give the option. Suppose I will write the option as A, then B, then C, then D. Then you can give the marks mark to this question by clicking this answer key and put this as a 1. As a 1 is point value, means marks for this question is 1. And then click on the correct answer, which answer is correct. Suppose answer A is correct. Then Again go in, add answer feedback. So student will see the answers, whether it is correct or not. If you provide immediate score to the student, here you can write incorrect answer as a feedback. Your answer was wrong. And for correct answer, you can give the feedback as well done and save this feedback. And then lastly, you click on done option. Okay, so what we do, you write the first basic information, then roll number of the student, and then actual question paper start from this question number 1 onward. So one question is there. So here we mention the total point 1 as one question is written. So to create, see here, to create the restricted question paper using Google Form, the actual part is started from this onward. So you again go back to the unique number. So you already discussed the unique number is either roll number, mobile number, or email ID. I will consider as a roll number as a unique ID. We'll consider roll number as a unique database. I will remove these numbers. Just see what I am writing the formula here. Cell B5 and double quote, vertical line, and enter. In second cell, you click the B6 cell, then and vertical line, double quoting, then and the previous cell, and drag down this formula till the last. I am taking the example. In my class, there is 15 students. The class strength may be more than 15. So according to your class strength, you can create this response validation number. Then copy this last cell and again go back to your quiz competition to your roll number. In this roll number, you click on these 3 dots and here mention as description and response validation. You click on response validation and you select the regular expression from this number, and from this content you can select the matches, and here pattern mention, you can copy that number, you can paste here, and here customer error text, this message will show to the student. I will write the message as you are not eligible for this exam. You can contact to the concerned person. You may write your mobile number also. I will write my mobile number here, and okay. See here, restricted number. These are the restricted number. Start from 1 and end with 15. And with the 15, 1 to 15 student only appear for this examination. We will start whether it is actually working or not. Okay, you can click here the preview icon. Okay, so I will write my mail ID. Then write your full name. I will write my name. I will write the roll number. Suppose you have mentioned the number is 1 to 15, means from the roll number 1 to 15 are eligible for the examination. 15 onward, the student are not eligible for the examination. Okay, so I will write the number here 16. If 16 is not eligible for the examination, so what happened, we can check later on. What is name of your college? I will click option B and submit this quiz. So what happened? See, your message reflect. You are not eligible for this examination. You can contact the concerned person. Okay, as we restrict the numbers, that number is not enter here. That roll number is not enter here because we consider 1 to 15 number. You can write here number 1, for example, and see what happened. You submit here. Okay, your response has been recorded. So you can check here, one response is received. In this way, you can check for the next number also. Just cross check it. I will write this information again. We will make this small change. Deepak Kejindra. My roll number is, we use your roll number as 1. Previously, we use your roll number 1. Now we will use the roll number 20. So what happened? See, the message will reflect you are not eligible for the examination and response will not be received. See, you have only one response received. If we write here number as a 5, that response will be accepted because this is in the range. See, this response received, the second response received. You can just cross check here how many response received and from which person. See, Deepak Chandra and Deepak Chandra. So in this way, you can create the quiz question paper with restricted format using Google Form. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.